Rupse Falls, the falling beauty. Rupse Fall is a beautiful waterfall in central Nepal, which is located in Dana village of Magdi district in Dhaulagiri zone of western Nepal. This falls is a very popular destination for tourists. Rupse is located in Beni Jomsom Highway Road. It is approximately 110 km from Pokhara and approximately 40.8 km from Jomsom. The height of Rupse Falls is more than 300 meters. Rupse Falls has tremendous beauty around it. Deepest gorge in the old Kali Gandaki Gorge and Kali Gandaki River is nearly situated to these falls. Nowadays, many tourists are visiting this beautiful place to see this beautiful